We are back with part 2 of installing the LEED brakes kit on the 72 Dodge Demon. This is our 72 Dodge Demon project that we've been working on for a while. This also had a disc brake conversion kit already installed on the front of the car, which was the exact same kit that was on the Coronet, just with a few minor differences here. This kit comes in the same way with rotors, calipers, bearings, hardware. Before removing the old disc brake kit that's on the car, I just wanted to show you this. These brakes are held on with just a little clip here at the very top of the caliper. Again, we took the rotor and stuff off with this. You can see here's this aftermarket knuckle. With the old knuckle and brake assembly off of the car, we went ahead and got the correct lower ball joint and factory spindle for this car. Now on this car, you can also see the disc brake caliper is actually faced toward the rear of the car versus the B body where it faces the front. With everything installed, we went ahead and make sure that our bleeder screw is at the top again with this one, installed our brake line and everything next. After bleeding the brakes, we went ahead and fit these brand new 15-inch Traeger wheels onto the car. And that's it. If you want to see more details on this 72 Demon, give my page a follow along.